Good afternoon to all my dear students. Now the today's topic is the next chapter, that is determinants. So determinant, first thing is definition of determinant. What is a determinant of a square matrix? So here by according to definition, let A is equal to Aij. We are square matrix of order n. As it is telling there, it is a square matrix of order n, means there is a square matrix and whose order is n rows and n columns. Then the unique number, see there is the word unique number Aij, is called the determinant of A and is denoted by the determinant A or A in between these parallel lines. If this sign, you will see that it means we are finding their determinant. If we see there the sign of like this, it means it is the matrix. So it should be clear in your mind that this is the sign for the matrix and this is the sign for the determinant. So here some points we have to understand. That what is the determinant? Determinant we can find only for the square matrix. Only square matrix determinant we can find. If the matrix is not square, then it is not possible to find their determinant. Second thing is that a matrix is an arrangement of a number, because if we solve this, that we are not getting their matrix, we will get there only a number. So that's why matrix is an arrangement of a number, whereas determinant is a number itself. So let's see the one example, value of determinant of order 2. How to find the, suppose this is a matrix A, we have to find its determinant. We can write like this same, then like the same this way we have to multiply these two, A1 A2, but when we are going from the down to up, then we have to change the sign with the minus. Again I'm repeating, down to up we have to change the sign, plus becomes minus, like this. See, A1 1 A2 2, multiplication of these, but when we are going to down to up, then sign will becomes minus, then A1 2 and A2 1. So let's see the example of the one questions here. We have to find the determinant. If this sign is that, it means we have to find its determinant. Now these two numbers will multiply to each other, that means x2 minus x plus 1 into x plus 1. But when we are going from down to up multiplication, then minus sign is coming there, and then x minus 1 x plus 1. As we know, this is the formula of aq plus bq. Then this value of this becomes aq plus xq plus 1q minus a plus b, a minus b is x square minus 1. Then opening the bracket, by opening the bracket, it becomes x cube plus 1 minus x square plus 1, that is x cube minus x square plus 2. So this is the value of a determinant of this. And now determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3 square. So here like this is the matrix A given, we have to find its determinant. We can find its determinant by expanding by the row 1, also row 2, also row 3, also column 1, also column 2, also column 3a. That means we can find the determinant of one matrix by 6 ways, either by expanding by the row 1, expanding by row 2, expanding by the row 3, expanding by the column 1, column 2 and column 3. So there are so many ways to find the determinant of a matrix by expanding any of the row or columns. So I'm taking the one case of the expansion of first row 1. So here determinant of A1 is A. First what we have to write, minus, here we have to write minus 1 I plus j. I means the position of the row and j means the position of the column, in position in column. Like A11 means minus 1 is the row, j is the column, 1 plus 1. Then when we are writing this, we have to writing this, then we have to hide this and we have to hide this also. In this way you can hide. So what's so elements left here, see here like this, first element we are writing, so we have to hide all the elements of first row and all the elements of the first columns. So what's element left there, A22, A23, A32, A33. So here you can see these elements we have written here, plus now second element A1 2, a1 2, so minus 1 1 plus 2 into a1 2. Then again hide this, hide all the elements of this plus all the elements of this. So what's the element left? a2 1, a2 3, a3 1, a3 3. Clear? Now minus 1 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 means one row, third columns. So now we have to hide this. Okay, so here what element left? a2 1, a2 2, a3 1, a3 3. So in this way we can find the determinants of a matrix. So now see here, minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 2 means positive, so it becomes a1 1. Then again multiplication of these elements minus multiplication of these elements, so we got this. Then here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 the odd number, so minus 1 raised to power odd number is minus. So here a1 2, again multiplication of these elements minus this, plus here it becomes plus. So this is the way, proper way. In this way we can find by expanding the row, by expanding on the row 1 या any of the row या columns. But there is some shortcut for this also. As we are taking these elements, we have to use the plus sign. When we are using the second element of this position, we have to use the minus sign. If for third, we can use the plus sign. If similarly if the row 2 we are going, then first element with minus and then second with the plus and then third. This is the shortcut for the this. If you don't want to do this thing, then you can do short directly like this. See in the question I use this 3 minus 1. This is the question by expansion by the row 1. Row 1, as we know, first element is with the plus. So here 3, for 3, then I'm hiding this element or these rows and columns, so we have to hide these, cut. So what left? 0 minus 1 5 minus 5 0. So we have written this. Then we are going to second element. Second is position for minus, so here minus, already minus 1 is there, so minus 1. Then again we have to cancel these and these. Now left 0 minus 1 3 and 0. Then third position is with plus, so plus, what's element is there? Minus 2. Then again we have to delete this, we have to delete this. What left? 0 0 3 minus 5. So in this way you can use this trick also, and by this you get easily the answer. So now the next step answer we got here 3 0 minus 5. Why minus 5? Because minus minus plus, but we are going from down to up, there is sign the minus. Then here minus minus plus 0, we are going to up. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, but we are going from down to up, then minus 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 3 into minus becomes plus 3. Similarly here minus 2 plus minus 2 0, and from down to up minus 3 into 0 is 0. So by this we got this. So the next question I'm taking here, we have to find the value of x in this question. One thing here we have to remember, that when we have given the determinant in equality, so we have not to say that the 2 is equal to 2x. If we are doing this, then it is wrong. If the sign of determinant is, if it is the matrix, then we can use this concept. But if there is the sign of determinant, we have to expand it, we have to open it both sides. So by opening it, we got value 2 into 1 2, 5 into 4 20. So 2 minus, because from up to down to up, minus 20. Similarly 2x square minus 6 into 4 24. So by solving this, we got here 2x square is equal to 6, x square is equal to 3, then value of x is equal to under root 3, and if the value of x is under root, then it will give the two value, one in plus and one in minus. So value of x is equal to plus minus under root 3. So in this way you have to do the exercise number 4.1 all questions. If any difficulty and query, you can ask and ask on my WhatsApp, and you can send that question, and then I will solve those questions for you. Thank you and have a nice day.